How to find hidden cameras using your smartphone, a step-by-step guide. Identifying hidden cameras, techniques for detection. In this report, you will learn how to find hidden cameras using methods that rely on your mobile phone. Hidden cameras are increasingly ubiquitous in places where individuals have an expectation of privacy, such as Airbnb rentals, locker rooms, and restrooms. The prevalence of these devices has raised serious concerns, particularly for those who wish to avoid being recorded without their consent. This guide will detail 3 basic techniques you can use with your smartphone to detect hidden cameras, ensuring privacy where it is most needed. Footnote: hidden cameras are found in various everyday objects and are a growing concern in areas with high privacy expectations. Technique 1: using your phone's camera to detect infrared signals. One of the simplest ways to detect hidden cameras is by using your smartphone's camera to detect infrared (IR) light, which is emitted by most modern hidden cameras. These cameras use IR light to capture images in low light conditions, which can often be invisible to the naked eye. To perform this technique, turn off the lights in the area you are inspecting and use your phone's camera to look around the room. Pay attention to any glowing white or blinking light, which could indicate an IR-enabled camera. A quick experiment at home with a TV remote control will demonstrate how IR light is visible to your phone's camera, even though it is not perceptible to the human eye. Footnote: most hidden cameras emit infrared light to capture images in the dark, which can be detected using your smartphone's camera. Technique 2: flashlight reflection to identify camera lenses. Another straightforward technique involves using the flashlight feature on your smartphone. Turn on the flashlight and shine it around the room, especially at areas where you suspect hidden cameras might be. Camera lenses, when illuminated by a flashlight, will reflect light back at you. This can result in a noticeable glint or reflection, helping you to locate the device. Though it is most effective in dim or low light environments, this method can work in any lighting situation. The key is to focus on areas where cameras might be concealed, such as smoke detectors, clocks, or mirrors. Footnote: the lens of a hidden camera will often reflect light when illuminated by a flashlight, helping to pinpoint its location. Technique 3: scanning for hidden cameras via Wi-Fi or Bluetooth connections. Some modern hidden cameras connect to Wi-Fi networks or Bluetooth devices to transmit their footage. Using your phone's Wi-Fi or Bluetooth scanning capabilities, you can check for any unknown devices within the area. Hidden cameras that use Wi-Fi may appear as unusual or unfamiliar network names such as camera, I Spy, or a random string of characters. To scan for these devices, open your phone's settings and access the Wi-Fi or Bluetooth menu. Look for any suspicious networks or devices that do not seem to belong. Although this method does not work with all hidden cameras, particularly those that use microSD cards for storage, it can be effective for detecting cameras connected to the internet or Bluetooth. Footnote: hidden cameras that connect to Wi-Fi or Bluetooth networks can often be identified by unusual network names or devices in your scanning list. Paid apps for camera detection. There are various paid apps available that claim to assist in locating hidden cameras. These apps primarily rely on 2 methods: Wi-Fi network scanning and detecting electromagnetic field (EMF) radiation, which is emitted by the camera's electronics. One such app, Thing, scans nearby Wi-Fi networks and provides more detailed labels to identify suspicious devices. While some apps charge a monthly fee, an EMF reader can also be used to detect electromagnetic radiation emitted by cameras. If you are considering using an app, it is recommended to first test free methods, such as the flashlight or infrared detection techniques described earlier, before paying for an app subscription. Keep in mind that the quality and effectiveness of these apps may vary. Footnote: paid apps like Thing and EMF readers are available for detecting hidden cameras, but free methods may also be effective. Conclusion: the challenge of finding hidden cameras. Finding hidden cameras is increasingly difficult due to the small size and sophisticated design of these devices. Many people, including journalists and regular citizens, have reported difficulty in locating all of the cameras in an environment, as demonstrated in a viral example where a reporter failed to find 26 out of 27 hidden cameras in an Airbnb room. Given how easy it is to set up these cameras and how well concealed they can be, it's highly recommended to use multiple detection methods to ensure your privacy is protected. Footnote: despite various detection techniques, hidden cameras can be very difficult to find, especially in environments where they are strategically concealed.